I have found the best 5 niches of all time. These niches always have a high demand and a high CPM. The views are not the only thing great about these niches, but they also follow the criteria that I give. When selecting a niche, you should go for the niche from which you can have multiple sources for making money. These niches also have alternative sources such as affiliate marketing and digital products for monetization, which means you don't have to solely rely on ad revenue, and you can monetize your channel before getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. Number 1 on our list is health niche. The chances of this niche ever getting die are zero, as health is the most important thing a human have. This channel, Body Hub, has over 1 million subscribers, and this channel is pulling over 3.5 million views every month. The amazing thing about this channel is that the background is literally just stock footages, which you can get from many websites like Pixabay. One of the reasons why health niche is so amazing is that there are tons of products on clickbank.com that you can promote as an affiliate and make even more money. They also have a digital product which is $27 and 9,000 people have bought. If we calculate it, they have made almost $250,000. If you want a free training video on how to make money before monetizing on YouTube, click the link in the description and I will send you a free guide. Now let's move on to another category, which is technology. Think about how many inventions are coming in the coming years. People love watching these types of videos. Take this channel, Tech Zone, as an example. This channel is making videos on new inventions and cool gadgets, and they are pulling in 13 million views per month. This is a very high CPM niche. For this niche, you can check the Amazon affiliate program, and you will find many products which you can promote and make money before even monetization. Niche number 3 is travel. People nowadays are traveling around the world, and there is a large number of audience for this niche. There are a ton of topics that you can cover on this niche, like top 10 places to visit. You can cover both negative and positive point of view on different places and much more. If you do the travel niche, make sure to sign up for any affiliate network related to flights or hotels that flies to the destination you are talking about, and you can even create a digital program teaching people how to travel in less money. Niche number 4 on our list is happiness niche. Like health niche, this is also one of the most important niche, as humans will always look ways to get rid of the daily stress. One of the sub-niche from this category is ancient wisdom. This channel, called Philosophies for Life, which doesn't even have that many videos, has over 1 million subscribers. They just talk about different concepts covered by philosophers and stoics who have lived in the past. You can do the same by taking some of the knowledge and repackaging into your own YouTube videos. Now let's move on to last category of our video, which is the wealth category. The sub-niche for this category is luxury. The channels on this niche are gigantic, and people love watching these luxury videos. These channels makes videos on the best private jets, the best yachts, and how the rich people lives. Now, if you don't want to make a channel on any of these niches, that's fine. Here are the list of 14 evergreen niches. That's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.